Guys, bakit kayo nagtatatanong dito? Baka magkakasaya kasi ako ako dito. Nag-search po kasi lobat. Tsaka, shorter na po ako. Bagay ba sa akin, guys? Huwag mo kayo magusto. 8 na po ako bukas.
Hey, sweetie Judy, here's an escape room. Let's see if you can find the exit.
Wow, thanks, Dad. I'm so excited. Let me open it. There's a little boy lying on the
Ay
ground.
po, yung kapatid kasi yan niya. Nag-ano po siya. Tablet. Tablet ko po yun.
Villagers, look it! It's Glorbo, the Dragon Rider. He'll save us.
Tumus ko po yun. Mag-duwala ka ng filter. Teka lang. Guys, skip lang. Go.
Epic Square Race, who will win? Today we've done 4 finishes, and the whole map looks like a complex cave system.
Glad you were so bad. How's the weather back there?
Don't talk to me, you're a color of this.
Guys, gusto na kayo.
Okay, guys, I will wait for you.
The squares have no space, and it will only get worse.
That's not real. We have to be calm and collected.
Looks like green.
Wala naman problema. Wala naman pa kayo sa ipin ko. Problema yun na lang face ko.
Now it's blue, green, and yellow.
Wala yung filter.
In the comments.
Wala.
Epic Square Race, who will win?
Sige yan yan pag yan tinuwa ka.